What's the meaning of Chilean? Chilean. Chilean.
Chilean. Chilean. Chilean refers to something or someone that is from or related to Chile, a country located in South America. This term can be used to describe the culture, cuisine, people, language and various aspects of the country that are uniquely associated with Chile. From natural wonders like the Atacama Desert and Patagonia, to Chile's history of indigenous cultures and colonial influence, the country has a diverse mix of influences. Chile's unique cuisine includes traditional dishes like asado, humitas, and empanadas. The Chilean people are known for their hospitality, strong sense of community and great love of football. Overall, the term Chilean refers to the customs, traditions and characteristics of Chile and its people.